Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus My major Nautical Department. I'm from Aipi, Makassar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sahrul. My major nautical department. I'm from Aipi, Makassar.
Good afternoon. I would like to rent a room in this hotel.
Single or double, sir?
Single please.
We have a single room on the second floor.
Okay, I will take in how much is the room.
It's about 500,000 rupiah a night. It includes the breakfast.
Good, when soon I pay it.
You can pay it when you are checking out. Good afternoon. I would like to rent a room at this hotel.
Single or double, sir?
Single, please.
We have a single room on the second floor.
Okay, I will take it. How much is the room?
It's about 100,000 rupiah and includes the breakfast.
Good. When should I pay it?
You can pay it when you are checked out.
What day is it here?
Yes, the sky is so clear.
I like this kind of weather.
Of course. I guess according weather.
The weather is good today.
Yes, but is later to mountain.
It's because we used to live in a tropical country.
Yes, I guess so.
The weather today is worse than yesterday.
Yes, it's later windy too. It's a beautiful day, is it?
Yes, the sky is opening.
I like this kind of the weather.
Of course, everyone does.
The weather is good today.
Yes, but it's a little too cold for me.
It's because soon you to live in a tropical country.
Yes, I guess so.
The weather today is worse than yesterday.
Yes, it's a little windy too.